Hi guys, good morning. So today's lesson is going to be getting ready for 5th grade. I want you guys to remember that everything that we're going to be learning from now is to help you expand on what we've already done with our previous lessons. So today we're going to be doing lesson 1 and 2, adding and subtracting dollars and cents. If you need to stop, pause, and start taking down your notes, do your 2-column notes, and then you can start playing the video again. Remember, at any time in this video, you can pause it, rewind, and go back to what you missed or what you needed to write down. So to begin with, we're going to talk about adding and subtracting dollars and cents. And adding and subtracting dollars and cents is just like adding and subtracting regular numbers. There's just a few key things that I want you to remember, and we're going to be doing both lessons at the same time because adding and subtracting are the two basic skills, and then everything else for dollars and cents is the same thing whether you're adding or subtracting. So we're going to start with adding. It's the easier of the two, and then right now I want you to drop down the next problem and I will explain to you what to do following the steps. So right now we're going to learn to add $99.46. So one of the key things when you are adding dollars and cents, you need to make sure that the decimals are lined up with your numbers. So your cents are lined up, your decimals are lined up, and your dollars are lined up. And this is the most important part because when you start to add, you have to make sure to keep that decimal in the same spot, and then all you have to do is add and carry over like you would normally do in a regular adding problem. So here we would do 9 plus 6, it's 15. So I'm going to write my 5, carry my 1. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1, 9. Now here, your decimal's already there because you've lined it up, and all you got to do is carry over into the next place value and keep adding like you normally would. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7, 17. So bring down your dollar sign and you are finished. Now you can pause, go back, make sure that you've written down the problem and that you've done step by step. Remember, we added 9 plus 6, we carried over our 1. We added again, 4 plus 4 was 8, plus 1 was 9. We automatically had our decimal point because it's already in line. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 7, 17. The next activity that we're going to do is subtracting decimals. Now, it's the same steps. You would subtract like you would borrow from each number. Only thing you need to make sure is that your decimals are in the correct spot. So today we're going to be subtracting $84.24 minus $52.47. So I'm going to go ahead and write our numbers, and then you can pause and write them as well. Now, in this subtraction problem, you have your numbers lined up just like you would line them up in your addition. What I want you to make sure is that, again, your numbers are lined up, your decimals are lined up. If your decimals are lined up and you're done, then you can just bring down your decimal so you don't have to forget it later, okay? I wouldn't add your dollar sign until you're finished regrouping and subtracting. So here, we already see that we can't we can't subtract 4 minus 7. So we have to come to the next place value. But we also see that we cannot borrow from, we can't subtract 4 minus 7. So we're going to borrow from the next place value, okay? Now the 2 becomes a 1 and the 4 becomes a 14. Now we can subtract. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now, we notice that we cannot subtract 1 minus 4. So yet again, we have to regroup. We borrow from the 4, and that becomes a 3. We add 1 to the 1, and we now have 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. And now we get to the next place value, and we see that 3 can be subtracted. So 3 minus 2 is 1. And here, 8 minus 5 is 3. We bring down our dollar sign, and we're done. Remember, if you want to check, you can go off to the side, and if you add $52.47 plus $31.77, you should get $84.24. So very small. I'm going to come to the side here, and I'm going to do just that. 52.47 plus 31.77. So here, 7 plus 7, 14, carry a 1. 7 plus 5 is 12. Decimal point, carry over my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. And my checking is correct. So today's lesson is adding and subtracting decimals. Now on Microsoft Teams, you have 2 PDFs for adding and subtracting with dollars and cents. You're only going to be doing the even. You either work them out in your math notebook or on a piece of paper, or you can print out the PDF and work it out on there. Remember, you're only doing even, and on Tuesday morning, you will get the answer key to check your work. Tuesday morning, you will also be receiving another video showing you the next lesson for getting ready for 5th grade. Every day, you'll be receiving one of these lessons to better assist you in learning and expanding on what we've already learned from 4th grade. Again, if something went a little too quickly for you, please make sure that you save the video and rewind. I'm also going to be sending a video on how to add and subtract dollars and cents by another teacher, so that if you didn't understand my lesson today, that you can rewatch it with her, and I'll answer any questions that you have through Zoom. Have a great day, guys. I know that you're doing your very best, and I am hoping to hear from you if you have any questions or if you get stuck. Have a great day.